Hello, today's question is when should I update my estate plan? So today you will learn how often to review your estate planning documents and triggering events that may require you to make an update to your planning. Hi, I'm attorney Robert Pecori. I've been helping families with estate planning now for 29 years in my family's firm, Pecori Pecori. So the answer to the question is it depends on what's happening in your life. If everything in your life is stable, then my suggestion is at least once a year, review your existing documents and your beneficiary designations. If everything is still working for you, then you're probably good to go. If there have been changes in your life, what I would consider to be triggering events, then maybe you need to make some updates. One of them would be a move out of state. If you do move and you have a trust, trusts are very portable, so you're likely okay with your trust. Wills are also likely portable. However, power of attorneys are not very portable. So at minimum, if you move, you're going to have everything reviewed by your new estate planning lawyer, and you'll likely need new power of attorneys and possibly the wills and the trust, but they're probably going to be okay for you. Another triggering event would be a birth or a death. Your existing documents likely have contingencies built in for such, but check them out just in case. If they do not, you may have to talk to your estate planning lawyer to make some updates. Also, don't forget to change your beneficiary designations as well when you're making a change to a document. What are some additional circumstances that would be triggering? So let's say you have a new asset that you wish to leave to a certain person that's not named in your existing document. Let's say you've sold an asset that you had previously left to somebody in your will. You may want to remove that now. If you want to make a change to a POA or an executor, or you want to add or subtract restrictions that might be in your present documents, then this would constitute a change. Also, if you want to engage in new planning, like long-term care planning, for instance, with an asset protection trust or an IRA inheritance trust to protect your IRA from your kid's divorce or your bankruptcy, it may be a good time to review everything. So in summary, your documents likely account for some changes in life, but not all of them. If you do need to make a change, give me a call and we'll be happy to review it together. For more information about estate planning, please visit my website at pecorielderlaw.com or check out some of the other videos here about estate planning. Thanks for tuning in today. Please leave your questions and comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.